This is the best of the both worlds. A corner lot with all the windows surrounding the home, giving all the light, yet in a quiet cul-de-sac that no strangers are gonna come. One-level living in the most desirable neighborhood in Palo Alto, Midtown. Welcome home.
Morning light through open skylights, जैसे धूप चुप-चाप उतर आई. Quiet streets at the cul-de-sac, eye color 把光轻轻鲜花. Floor to ceiling, window shine, let the sunshine pull you in. Every room just feels so fine, a perfect place for life to begin. Top Palo Alto schools nearby, Midtown charm just steps outside. Eichler corner lot, one of a kind. Everything you need is easy to find. At 2505 Greer Road, where the light just knows where to go. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, space to grow. A bonus room you can call your own. 灵活的空间随心而动，生活在这里被温柔款待。Open doors, the backyard flows, calm connected, the good life shows. Yeah, 2505 Greer Road.
What is Eichler? Eichler is the homes that developed by developer Joseph Eichler, a visionary builder who transformed American housing after the Second World War. Instead of hiding structure, he celebrated it. Instead of separating the house from the yard, he dissolved the boundary between inside and outside.
Evenings warm in the kitchen glow, clean lines modern, everything flows. Radiant heat beneath your feet, comfort you don't hear, just feel complete. A bonus room with its own door, workplace guests or something more. Flexibility is hard to find in a place like Palo Alto. So kind, यहाँ सुकून है, यहाँ घर है, हर दिन थोड़ा आसान लगता है. Quiet streets, the park nearby, city close yet peace inside. Every day feels a little slow. If you're looking for more than walls and doors, more than just an address code, you might find what you're waiting for at 2505 Greer Road.
In Silicon Valley, people pay for innovation, and Eichler is one of the spirit that reflects so. And living in this beautiful, updated home gives you everything from school to neighborhood to amenity. And I hope you enjoy it and come over to take a look in the open house. My team and I will be here, welcome you. If you have any questions, ask your realtor or us. I look forward to seeing you here.